Hi everybody, welcome to Moriah's Moves. If you're seeing me, then you've officially tuned in to either the Moriah's Moves Dance channel or the Moriah's Moves Dance page. This week we're talking about unity, and our mini Bible study verse comes from Philippians 2, 1 through 2, and it goes like this. Therefore, if you have any encouragement from being united with Christ, if any comfort from his love, if any common sharing in the Spirit, if any tenderness and compassion, then make my joy complete by being like-minded, having the same love, being one in spirit and of one mind. Well, what exactly does this mean? In my opinion, it means that we should be unified as one. And here is why. The first part of these scriptures say that, we get encouragement, we get comfort, we get love, we get tenderness and compassion. So being united with Christ opens up like all those great things from God. And I'll say this, all good things come from God, guaranteed 100%, no doubt, right? The second reason why we should be unified is so that we can be like-minded and that we should be of one mind. Now, this doesn't mean that we should be robots and think exactly, the same way, but it means that we're all headed in the same direction, and when we move in one direction, then we can move mountains. So move one direction, move mountains. Okay, so it has a whole lot of power when we're unified together and we're unified with Christ. Big things begin to happen. Another reason to be unified is so that we can have the same love. God is often described as being the first love and should be the last love. So if we all love him, then there's no cause for confusion or concern because he loves us unconditionally, and then we can love him right back. The final reason why we should be united as one is because in the Spirit, we find our faith, our hope, and our trust in God. And so if we're all in that same Spirit and we're all, putting out that same Spirit into the world, then we can change lives, guys. The same Spirit is seriously infectious. So don't forget about that, all right? Let's be unified, moving in one direction. Okay. All right, so our dance is coming up next, and this is a really special original song by Genesis and Too Tall, and it's called Ken and Ryu, and you guys have probably heard Chun-Li by Nicki Minaj. Well, it'd be interesting to see what you guys think about it. So check it out. I'll catch you on the other side, and I hope you enjoy. Bye-bye.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You're getting away!
Go if you have to. Go to places the rest of us can't dream of.
Guys, it's
Ranky, I'm feeling underestimated. Say I'm only up for boy when I was trying to breathe. I ain't made it, but the way that the conversations are playing, I promise that I ain't been trained watching the way. Me and you clones of the road, clones of the shady, like the leader of the shadow moon. Running brothers that are tighter than his head. When if you feeling like you need a tag, I say sure you can. Holy Ghost fire on the feet, and I never met a boys girls that I didn't beat. Call it cheap, but these streets need to beat. In the game 15 long on the jet street. To get a real better, we have already took me when we time when we get it with a scar on our chest. If we wish you would have right, you'll be killing with a left. Hip hop, getting quick, then finish up a set. To get a real better, we have already took me when we time when we get it with a scar on our chest. If we wish you would have right, you'll be killing with a left. Hip hop, getting quick, when we finish up a set. Yeah, we hold it down, ain't nothing new. Miss Miyagi couldn't teach us nothing new. You don't wanna smoke, boy, we coming through. When we link up, yo, it's Ken and Ryu. Yeah.
guys, it's real.
The school that kids, they ride with a chance on. This is me, you a kid, then we get on. We won't disappear like a man bitch on. I do it again if you ain't been involved. We in these streets, man, fighting for your soul, running tempo. Do this for my kid, trying to get on my rhymes, but I'm a dog. At least no real, but joy got me showing on my teeth, yeah. Can I kick it? Cook game, bitch, you sure can't leave it. Twisted, really lit, we about to get this. I'm a yes man, really cooking here, game plan, but I'm not to be played with. Not these plays, man, I'm a kid. Good riddance of my depression, I'm a kid. Ain't no need for you to question, yeah, I'm with it. Soldier fighting till the finish, rebel red around my head, even on my homeland, I'm a killer. When the village, know you feel the flows in my veins. Got me itching, feel the spirit, feel the change the game. Me and Jim, where you can, it's a family thing. No kids, but it's not with everything. We at the bottom, let the bottom down. Yeah, we rock with the power, bring it down that light. This a tag team, never won't break the sweat. Somebody grab the six, come on, hey, Jim, who next?
Yeah, we hold it down, ain't nothing new.
I know. Miss Miyagi couldn't teach us nothing new. You don't want to smoke, boy, we coming through.
When we link up, yo, it's Ken and Ryan, you.